How to delete a collaborator in Wix. So in order to delete a collaborator, what we can do is we first need to head over to our website's dashboard. And then from in there, just scroll down right here into our left sidebar and then go over to the settings option. Now, once you're in here, you can see several settings that you can actually manage. Into this, we just need to look for the roles and permissions option. So you should be able to find here right there. We have in here under the general, the roles and permissions. Head over and click on it. Once you have clicked onto this roles and permission, this will load in here all of the roles available. So we have in here the collaborators, we have ourselves, we have admin and co-owner. If you want to remove them, like for example, this one, click onto these three dots and then click onto this remove collaborator option that we can see right here in order to remove them and click onto this remove collaborator again. So that's how you delete a collaborator in Wix. I hope this video helped you out.